Yeah, hi team. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is means basic of ERPs. Okay, so in ERP, how dealing. So let's begin with the today's topic. Okay, so first my questions, considering our topic. So today, what is ERP? Correct. Obviously, that question is quite good, and that's dealing with the multiple things. So see, in ERP is nothing but we can say enterprise resource planning. Okay, in every company have its own process, in own structure. How resource planning will be going doing. Okay, so coming to enterprise. Okay, so enterprise how dealing and that real cases real that case and with in software, so how integrated to each other, so that we are going to discuss today. So coming for example, if you can see ERP, so there are in organizations basics, we can say manufacturing company, any manufacturing company, there is multiple department, individual departments are there. Suppose human resource is there, engineering is there, delivery is there, sales is there, okay, production is there, same way accounting and other. So how they are interlinked, because see any organization, if I want to run smoothly, so obviously integrate dependent or every department support is required. Correct. So that dealing, how data sharing or that some restrictions. So that suppose for example, if human resource, so human resource that deal with the whatever the labor cost may be given by the production team. Okay, so the attendance and all detail will be giving with there's a labor's durations and all be giving with the production team, but payment and all that will be dealing with the HR team. So obviously that integrated data independent is there, but some data are transparent, some are that we can say restricted. So that cases how will be smoothly we can able to do. So that is with the reference to ERPs. Okay, ERP softwares. So in coming to definition point of view, we can come to the ERP. So ERP is a software system that help you run entire business, including processes in finance, human resource, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement, and many more. Okay, so whatever be that processes we are doing in the, so that is or are nothing but ERPs. So if you coming to again softwares design and related with the SAP options. So SAP point of view, SAP is also one of the leading ERP package or ERP softwares, which nowadays use most of the companies are adopting those that softwares. Okay, so same SAP how working. So they are on basis of department, as in real cases what are the departments available, so those departments are created in SAP like as a model. Okay, so if you come to PP, so production planning, what will be the production planning is there in software. The production planning is executed, production planning and control. So all those details SAP is divided that in covered in the PP model. Okay, same way if you come to material management. So material management means what, that what will be the materials either purchase, store management, or any procurement planning. Okay, procurement purchase, that details. So that all things are covered in the model. Okay, so same SD sales, whatever sales processes we are performing by the business, all the business are covered in the sales model. Like same other different modules are designed with the by the SAP, which dealing with the properly with the proper integrations. Okay, so now coming to SAPs as a we are coming means moving to ahead. So those are just means as of now we discuss about basic of ERP. Okay, now coming moving ahead, and that is so SAPs as I told. So SAP obviously that is a means good enterprise software designed to the integrated manage core business processes. Okay, means what are the core business process are there. So with that SAP is totally fully integrated with each other, each module, and their developments, what will be the planning and all. So that will be beautifully covered in the SAPs. So if you want to know about in SAPs, if you want to work, so obviously their hierarchy structure, organization element, what are the main organization elements we have to know. Correct. So if you come to the organization element, so SAP what will be the SAP organization elements are mainly, today I'm going to cover with the organization element mainly used in the production and we can say purchases or finance. Okay, so what will be the organization elements mainly we can say defined? So there are four organization element is there. Okay, so first is client. So what is client? Client is nothing but we can say is a higher toppest hierarchy. Okay, and which deal with the total enterprise structures. Second is company code, plant and store location. So for that, if you see that client, company, and there are that look there is a interlink with each other. Okay, there is a some certain dependencies and okay, so that is a organization element coming with the in SAP. Coming to the next, if you go with the in detail, so see, a client is we can say highest hierarchy user is the client. So used to different between development and quality assurance. Okay, same production and system with the SAP R by 3 softwares. Okay, here what happened? Common sets rule of rules are divided. Common tables. So see what happened. If you know quality, development, and production means all database are segregated, all configurational levels are segregated. Okay, there are no any certain common tables. Okay, so all the data and segregated with the reference to client, and client is a topic we can say is the concern. Okay, let me move to the next we can say organization element. So that is company code. So company code, this is the legal entities. Okay, and that used to financial accounting. Okay, with the is of certain profit and loss statements. So if you come to definition point of view, so company code represents an independent balancing legal accounting entries. For example, company with the corporate group. Okay, so what will be a company with the corporate group? So those are there is some certain profit and loss statement is there, some certain accounting entries there. So those all are they are linked with the company code. Okay, each balance sheet and profit loss statement also make with the reference to company code. So that's is a again it's a financial term, and where we means we bifurcate each asset liability same way revenue and expenses of the expenses profit and loss of the organization. Okay, so we'll anyhow this is a theoretical concern. We'll discuss in more detail when we go move to the SAP. Next organization element is plant. So usually a manufacturing plant. Okay, plant is main we can say is a entities or organization structure where we are dealing with the mainly and production PP model. Okay, so they are integrated with each other models, and there what happened, they all manufacturing facilities. Okay, warehouse location stocks and all, they will be managed in the and value inventory. Maybe physical site with the multiple manufacturing production lines. Okay, so maybe multiple or plant also maybe manufacturing a production line at a one physical site can be also used by a physical location. So that concept if coming to that plant, so plant is nothing but is a design like that, is a its basis of either we can decide on basis of geographical, means either in same city, if my plant is there with the same city, some same GST numbers and all. Okay, and there is a manufacturing processes are the semi similar type, so we can consider a single plant. If it's a different cities are there, so different obviously there is a GST numbers and all that will be going with the difference. Okay, so in that case obviously there is a integration that we can think to go with the individual plant, and always plant is assigned to my company code. Okay, same way if you plant link with the purchasing background, so plant link with the purchasing organization. Now what is purchasing organization, we will discuss in next video. Okay, so in this video only we discuss plant, and then we discuss about the storage location. So in organization element coming to storage location, a storage location is a place where stock is physically kept within a plant. Okay, if you want to bifurcate, you see, if in real examples, if we go with that, so see, storage in manufacturing plants, what happen, the goods within the plant, the goods are bifurcated. If I want to do bifurcation, either where which area regions are defined within the plant, so those things we can say storage location. And storage location has following attributes. If you go with the attributes, so there are storage location following attributes are there. They are maybe one or more storage location within a plant. Okay, stocks are managed only on a quality basis and not on a value base. Okay, storage location level. Physical inventories are carried out at a storage location, and storage location are always created for within a plant. Okay, so these are all about our enterprise structures. Okay, so if you come to that this organization element, so see how it's a linkage integration is there. So assignment always within the client company, see company code, and company code assignment means what will be that with the plant. Okay, and in the single that one direction is there, same way within the plant store location we can assign. Okay, and some in some data if you find that, so in SAP there is a here one company is there. So company is nothing but a group of company code, we can say a company. Okay, so yeah, that's about today, means basic of ERPs and organization element of SAP. So yeah, thank you. Next videos will discuss about more in the sales and means purchasing and sales organization. Okay, and so thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this video.